Cleaning your LabelTac Pro X is a simple process that will keep your printer running smoothly. First, open the printer by pulling the two lid releases on either side of the machine. All LabelTac printers ship with a pair of alcohol-filled cleaning swabs. To use the swabs, squeeze the handle until the seal bursts and the swab fills with alcohol. Run the swabs across the platen roller and alignment guides. Next, clean the printhead by gently scrubbing back and forth with the swab. To clean the cutter assembly, swab inside the opening to clear the blade of any adhesive residue. For a thorough printhead cleaning, we recommend a thermal printer cleaning card. Remove the packaging and load the card as though it were printer supply, with a little bit of card protruding from the opening. Close the printer. Brace the printer with one hand and pull out the cleaning card with the other. Your LabelTac Pro X is now clean and ready to print.